If you're a student and need help with science, technology, maths or physics problems, check out this amazing AI-powered study buddy. Just snap a photo of your question and it gives you step-by-step solutions instantly. You can even generate notes, quizzes and cheat sheets right inside the app. The design is super clean and student-friendly with no clutter and distractions. Although it's free to start, some advanced tools might need an upgrade later. So if you want smart, quick homework help in your pocket, GP AI is totally worth a try. This open source app makes cleaning your media gallery as fun as swiping on a dating app. I know there's a similar app, but this one is completely free and open source. You can simply swipe through photos and videos, keep what you love and delete the rest. It's completely ad-free and works offline, so no tracking or bloat. You can also review your choices before deleting anything. The interface is clean, customizable and very easy to use. This amazing open source app automatically toggles Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location and other permissions based on when your phone is locked or unlocked. It's completely free, open source and works without ads or cloud servers, so your settings stay on your device. The setup is simple. Pick which features to disable on lock, how quickly to disable them and let it run in the background. You can use it with root or use the Shizuku bridge if you don't want to root. Whether you're security conscious or just want more control over your phone, Privacy Flip gives you smart automation. The renowned photo editing software Adobe Photoshop is finally available on Android, bringing pro-level image editing tools to your phone. It offers plenty of free tools, but not all the features of the desktop version for obvious reasons. However, the app's clean, touch-friendly interface makes photo editing smooth and intuitive. It's free in beta right now, but advanced tools and Cloud Sync will require a Creative Cloud subscription once it's fully released. So if you're a creator or designer who wants real Photoshop power on mobile, give it a shot. This cool wallpaper app uses AI to generate HD Android wallpapers of exclusive designs and themes. The best part of the app is not just the high quality wallpapers, but the slick UI that's so clean and gives you a whole new experience. You can find wallpapers category-wise and also search manually. In addition, you can customize the wallpaper's color, saturation, brightness and blur it if you want before setting it up on your screen directly from the app. So give it a shot and you be the judge. Next up is Fake Out. With AI evolving so fast, it's getting harder to tell what's real and what's AI generated. If you ever found yourself questioning whether an image or text is AI made, this app can help. It's a fact-checking app that uses Google's Claim Review API to spot fake news, AI-generated images and more. It even provides multiple sources for each claim, so you can double or triple check anything you see online. If you're tired of slow or complicated file transfers, you've got to check out Blip. This app lets you send files between iOS, Android, Windows and Mac, all without any size limits or needing the same Wi-Fi network. You just drag and drop and boom, it's sent. Files stay in original quality and transfers are crazy fast. Plus, you can easily share stuff with friends or family who also use Blip. Honestly, this might be one of the best file transfer apps out there. And that's my list of the best Android apps to check out in November 2025. If you found this video informative, like it, drop a comment below with your favorite app and subscribe for more top Android app videos. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.